Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be making a 3D printed camera tripod. For this build we are going to need just a few items. I will include links where you can find everything in the description below. So step one, we need to clear out the support structures that form between all of the different holes. I'm going to go ahead and start just by setting everything up without any hardware, just to see how everything fits together. Alright, so that's going to be a pretty tight fit. Now that I have everything sanded, I'm just going to individually run my 60mm M5 bolt through each part just to make sure that if there's any debris, it's cleared out of the holes. Now that I'm certain that the bolt will go through all three parts, I'm going to go ahead and put them together. Now, when you're getting everything screwed in, you may have to kind of adjust how these pieces are folded to make sure that the holes all line up like they do here. Once we have the three parts in place, we'll go ahead and run our bolt through the holes. Now that we have the screws successfully in place, we're going to lock it down with our wing nut. Now you should be able to kind of see how this thing is going to really come together here. We've got our tripod base, our front leg, and then we'll have our two back legs coming off of this piece here. Once we have everything in position, we can tighten it down. Now this piece isn't moving anywhere, and these legs won't move anywhere either. So for these, we're going to take each leg, just line them up with the hole, take our 16mm screw, and go ahead and come up from the bottom. Now when we get through the other end, we're going to put the washer first and then the nylon lock nut over the top. And repeat with the second. And finally, we are going to add the screw for the camera. This is a 1/4" bolt that will just screw into the bottom of the tripod here. And there you have it. Now you've got a fully collapsible and fully functional camera tripod.
Thank you for watching. If you liked today's build, remember to like and subscribe for more 3D printing videos.